Rurikirano ekiombe ky'abantu bali no Walemavu rwase Kaunti ya Nyamira nigo babere baweso kyana kwarigania murobere obwokorotota budget ye Kaunti ya Nyamira gore kibesa ekyo kibekire ase obokoreri bwabali abamenyete no Walemavu kurengana barabwo nigo borokire ogotaisanika kwabona tana kibese ekyo kibekira ase budget yo nigo kire kinge kigima ase baganire kibe kikomentwa na tana nigo bwate amaganyo aho ayoganetie okomento wekibesa chira bakonye ase amatukabosio
ase engencho yogo train the budget champion moso abamenyete no Walemavu ase Nyamira County nigo tokonyora funding from Uraya Trust yogo to capacity building and go to engage in terms of civic education and to understanding again that ase county in terms of the people with disability bono moso egento kiatoreta gaiga etwacha kurigereria moso the Disability Act 2013 na konyorire tigo 2023 na konyorire ne budget ya 2024-2025 torenga issues chabete tackle in the Disability Act 2023 njire tackle in the program based budget 2024-2025 waro mna twaligereri mono to analyze as a budget whereby the Department of the People with Disability era say gender sports and culture twaroranga as a budget yego tackle the people with disability is not being considered so it means that the budget lacking inclusivity whereby the people with disability they are not considered in that budget. So as that, so we commend for the county government of Nyamira to ensure that there is implementation of the Disability Act, Nyamira Disability Act 2023, whereby in terms of infrastructure, in terms of employment, in terms of assistive devices to be in that program.
A budget it babigete sabanda bari maletere nkemono actually teyo it's almost 0.1% kegera twaligere no in terms of infrastructures twarona barabe kabesa se MHS as sports barabe ka kibesa as abanta babe trained as entrepreneurship erinde banyare kegera ntumuntu cy'abantu ba talents barabe kabesa se amagana yoko wachi equipment yiba utaka energy yiba enable mobility like wheelchairs, wide canes, clutches kegera bandamba da ite binde kinyara kuba